Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make double crochet stitch rows with straight edges. So start the work. As a foundation chain, I am going to have some chains, about 16 chains. Then make 3 chains to get the height of the double crochet stitch. Now 3 chains are there. Then yarn over and insert the hook to the 4th chain. Yes, 4th chain from the hook. Then 3 chain is there to we can consider as a double crochet. Now 1 double crochet is done. Now you know when you are doing double crochets, you have to yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, then grab the yarn and get 3 loops onto the hook, then release 2 loops first, then release the other 2 loops. Then it looks like this. Again yarn over, insert the hook, grab the yarn, get 3 loops onto the hook, release 3 loops, then release the other 2 loops. Yarn over, insert the hook, there, release 2 loops, then so I will continue up to the end point. Okay, I have finished the first row. Now I want to add more rows. So again, to get the height of the next row, I have to make 3 stitches, 3 chain stitches. Yes, then turn over the work. Then again yarn over and insert the hook to the this double crochet at the base of this 3 chains. Okay, then you can continue. Now I have to do the last double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook and make the last double crochet. Then again, if you want to add 1 more row, make 3 chains and turn the work and yarn over, and to the base of these 3 chains add 1 DC. Then continue adding DCs. By this way you can have straight edges. In each side the edges are straight. So you can use this stitch to make any project you want, like sweaters, shawls, dishcloth, anything you can make with this stitch. It is easy to do even for beginners. Thank you for watching.